Target Trading Academy.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Dan O'Brien with Target Trading Academy, and I'm doing a video Tuesday evening of the trades that were submitted to me today by my students that are using Carnac trading technologies. We have a list of 38 individual trades, 30 winners, 7 losses, and 1 break even, and we'll get started with Tom. Alright, Tom's first trade was a short at 931 here for a winner. All of his trades are in the ES. They're all live and all in the same market, the ES. Next up is a scale and short at 1039 on the left, and in the middle a short at 1041 for a scale out there for 2 more winners. And then a long at 1055 here for a winner. And then a loss. We have a long at 1104, just didn't get the follow through we wanted, and gets out with a loser there at the 1104 buy. And then a big scale in here that didn't go anywhere, and he came out of that at 1123 with a small gain, small winner. Then a nice gain here at 1130, about the average of the scale in, and scale out with the range extension for another winner. And then over here 1216 a long for a win, and then 1218 a long for a small winner. And then 1252 is he scaling in as the market is dropping, adding to a winner and adding to a loser, and he scales out for another winner that puts him up a little over $3,000 in his live account for the day. Okay, next up are 3 quick trades here from Killian. At 943 he was short. This was actually the entry, and it had a very fast move to the upside for a stop out loss, and then back down again, and then back up for a short and a winner at 944, and then another short and a winner for a little, with a little range extension. Good job, Killian. Okay, we have a few trades from Lyle. The first one up here is a short in the micro NASDAQ at 947 for a break even, and then a long in the micro NASDAQ at 1004 for a winner. Okay, next up is Tim. It is a short at 1046 in the ES for a small winner, just one from Tim. A couple of trades from Rich. We have a short at 1056 off the top of the channel there for a winner, and then a long at 1244 in the ES again for a winner. Both of those were on Sim as he's practicing his trading. Next up is Killian. He has a short at 1403, and he was wondering in an email, or with the email that he sent to me, well, I wonder why it had that strong reversal. Was it because of the point of control here from market profile? And I said, well, you know, that certainly didn't help, but at the same time, or I should say what's even more important, is that's when Jerome Powell just started to speak this afternoon. And when he's going to make a speech like this, it's something that you want to wait a little bit to see what the knee-jerk reaction is in the market, and he forgot about that. But it's on Sim, so practice, and if it takes that sort of thing to make you remember before you go live, then that's great. Okay, next up is Kathleen, a couple of live trades at 948 short and a loss, and then another short at 953, both of these in the ES, of course, on the same chart for another loss. But one thing we talked about it at length in the trading room is that you don't cancel your stops and then let it go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think this turns out to be 12 or 15 bars before she got out, and then another 10 to 12 bars over here, whereas you could see that both of these would have been break even, and there's a rule that I use that she didn't use today and wound up costing her. But overall she's doing well, and I know she'll get that back probably tomorrow. Alright, next up is Al. So in the micro NASDAQ here we have a long at 1134 for a winner, and then on the right hand side a short at 1142 for another winner. And then a little bit later, a few more trades in the micro NASDAQ, 1447 for a small loss, and then a long at 1448 as the market continued to go for a winner. Oh, and then yes, one more trade here, 1423 long in the micro NASDAQ, still with Al for another winner. So really nice work there, Al. Okay, next up here is Curtis. It says live account at 954 for a short and a small gain. Market was real choppy early. All right, now a handful of trades from Mark, and actually Mark is the last trader to submit trades today. So we have a short at 1029 for a loss, and then another short at 1035 for a winner. And then still in the, those were in the NASDAQ, by the way, sorry. Still in the NASDAQ here. We already did 1035. This is another trade here, 1038 short, and a little range extension for a winner. And then this is in the ES, so 853 long for a winner. And then still in the ES, a short at 930 for a winner with a little range extension there. And then 1046 short for a small win, still in the ES. Okay, still with Mark here. This is a live trade in the afternoon, 1420 for a small gain. And then 1435 for a winner there, live again in the ES. And he switches to the NASDAQ. And back on Sim, 1402 short for a winner. 1413 short, little range extension for a winner, and then 1447 long as Powell eventually turned the market up. Actually long before this, but still long here, 1447 for a nice winner. And Mark started off down in the NASDAQ and he turned it around for 2,680 bucks as he followed the HFT algos and the trending algo and got it all back. Okay, folks, that is it for today's video. As I mentioned, we had 38 individual trades, 30 winners, 7 losses, and 1 break even for another very good trading day despite lots of chop early in the morning. But that's it for today's video. And all those traders were following the same algorithms, and if you'd like to come and join our current students where they swear by their indicators and not at them, well, just contact us through our Facebook page or the website right here in front of you, and we'd be happy to get more info out to you. Until the next video, trade well.